Yorkshire Day, 1st August. Yorkshire is the UK's largest county, and every year the community pay tribute on August 1, celebrating all the great things that hail from the Dales. Yorkshire Day is a celebration that takes place once a year to honour everything about the history of the county to its most memorable residents. The day was first celebrated in 1975 by the Yorkshire Riding Society, initially in Beverley. A day set aside for celebrating all that is special about Yorkshire seemed the Riding Society a good way of protecting the county's individuality and character. Why August 1? Members chose 1st August, the day when Yorkshire soldiers who had fought in the Battle of Minden in Germany picked white roses as tributes to their dead comrades. Coincidentally or not, it is also the day on which slavery was officially abolished following campaigning by Yorkshire man William Wilberforce. History. Originating as a military holiday, its roots stem from more than a few things, including the emancipation of slaves in 1834 and a few military customs and some protests about losing Yorkshire's cultural identity. The military custom involves light infantry, originally as Minden Day, although later joined by 5 other regiments in this tradition. The military permitted the regiments to wear a rose in their headdress, although the original light infantry use a white rose instead of the standard red rose. The Emancipation Anniversary is celebrated in the honor of William Wilberforce, whom successfully campaigned for the emancipation. The protests were regarding the identity of Yorkshire against the local government reorganisation of 1974. Yet, with such a long and diverse history of changes, Yorkshire has kept itself from changing, keeping its old world appeal and aesthetic as the day has become more and more known worldwide. Celebration. Each year on that day, members of the society read a declaration of the integrity of Yorkshire at 4 of the bars of York. A reading is held facing into each of the 3 readings and into the city. In recent years, a reading has been held in the city centre too. Many celebrations of Yorkshire Day now takes place all over the county and indeed around the world. Yorkshire Day celebrations range from gathering of family and friends to civic ceremonies and can be as simple as reminding each other what's great about Yorkshire. Criticism. Critics say the day only reinforces outdated stereotypes about Yorkshire, but supporters argue that it gives residents the chance to celebrate their heritage and preserve the pure Yorkshire identity. In the recent years, the day has also been used to advance Yorkshire's case for its regional government, and there have been calls for it to be designated as a public holiday.